Hi guys, Kali J here. Just want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel, like, share and comment, and to everyone that is just coming on now. I appreciate you all. I appreciate the love that you have shown me throughout these 3 months on YouTube. You guys make me feel so special. Now guys, our goal is to get to 2,000 subscribers. Let's do this. Share with your friends and tell them to just subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. Guys, look out for videos 2 times per week, and I'll just give you some surprises in between the videos. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for coming over, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Remember also guys that you can find me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. You can send me a message over there of the different meals that you want me to prepare. Also, you can find me on Instagram, Accessories by Leams. You can find me over there. You can send me a DM also of the dishes that you want me to prepare for you. Once again guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel.